My first time making a video, but now you can look at my so hi guys, I want to teach some people how to use Scratch. As you can see, I have some Scratch projects that I made. Let me first show you for a little bit. Let me show you it and just type. Okay. So this is called ball game. If you press a ball, then your score goes to 1, and we'll talk about how to code later. As you can see, when I'm pressing the ball, they disappear and then make my score into 1, 2, 3, something like that. Look. See? It's like that. Then this is my other project I made. It's called the math quiz. So it's let's go and see. So there's an easy and medium and hard thing. Wait. Okay, so there's an easy, medium, and hard. Let me show you what happens if I press the easy. It tells you a question. What's 8 times 6? 56. There, correct. It adds one correct points to it. 9 times 5, 45. If you do wrong, it does not minus the point, but they say wrong. So now let's dive in into the code part. So this is my project, the ball game. So let's go see it, cause since that's more like more easier. So let's deep dive into it. So look, if you're using tablet, you can duplicate the balls just by holding them. See, I was just holding and just duplicate or export. If you're using computer, then you can just left click the ball sprite. Okay. If you're wondering what this dustbin thing is, it deletes the sprite. And what is the sprite? Sprite is any type of thing, like a character. So this is the backdrops. I can put any thing on it, like background. Then this is the character. You can choose things from it, like button or like curvlets, catcher. And that weird thing, source thing. So let's now start. So when the sprite is clicked, which is from the event block, events group, there's a hide button in the looks block. So what does when the sprite is clicked? So look. Let me just start sorry. So look. There, I pressed it. It did something when I clicked the sprite, right? And then it's going to change the score by 1, which we're going to continue that in next time. And this is the green flag. The green flag means like the start button. The show button, of course, from the looks again. Okay. If you're wondering what's inside my blocks, variables, operators, sensing, and blah blah blah, we're gonna do that in the other types of videos, okay? Actually, So now let's continue and show you how can I make it and how did I understand it. So yeah, we're gonna just go make things like this. Huh? Oh yeah, I put nothing there. So first we start with the green flag, which is most very important. And this is the looks. So it's like say hello for 2 seconds. So let me show you what does it does. It says hello. Look. If you're wondering about say hello, it's gonna do it like after a second. I mean not after a second. I mean like they're gonna do it forever. Let me see something. Also, it changes instantly, so we really need this. We really need the hello for 2 seconds, the seconds one. And then this think, yeah, of course, he's just thinking. Switch costume. Well, if you're wondering in these costumes and sound, let me show you. This is costume 1 and this is costume 2. So we can just delete this or like make another thing, like, yeah. You can do many stuff with it. Like just coloring, bam, 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 boop, bop, beep. We can color it like this, of course, in the painting area. This is just front and back, yeah, it's not that important. This one's kind of important. So it's like the paint brush thickness. So look, if I put it 250, it's gonna get very large, like this. See? Okay, let's go back. So if you're wondering what button am I pressing, well, let me show you right now. I'm actually pressing. Oh wait. Okay, I'm actually pressing these buttons to go back and then change back to there. Look, wait, there. So look, if I press this, it's gonna go back where I did, and if I press this, it's gonna go back again, what it was like. And then there are 2 costumes, so that it looks like it's running. Look, wait, let me show you. Well, let me just show you what is this. So when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, of course you might know backdrop. You might. So it's called the stage. If you're curious why there's no motion blocks, because the backdrops, of course, cannot move. So yeah, in the backdrop you could just draw, bam, 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 blah, blah, blah. And yeah. So you can just change the backdrop to 1. Sounds. So look. And then if you use the AI generator, it's just gonna join like another random. And yeah, if you're confused with this faster, slower, louder, soft, mute, fade in, fade out, reverse, robot. Well, this what happened if you put robot. It like kind of makes the voice like kind of robot. It's a reverse. Yeah, and this is fade in, which is of course already fade in. Yeah, it just gets more quiet in the end. Right here. And then this is the fade in. Wait. Wait. Wait, let me just come back. Okay, now this happens if you fade in. Yeah, it's gonna become more quieter. If you mute it, Yeah, of course this would happen. So let me change back. This is so like gets kind of like negative louder. Okay. Now if you press louder, of course it's gonna become loud. I'm just gonna show you an example. This is slower. It looks like a motorcycle. So yeah, if you're curious about this download thing, it like shows you the download. Oh, sorry. Wait. Let's go back. Yeah. So it's like you can if you have to download a thing, a sound, and then you can just download it. This is the AI generator. Of course, it just generate the random things. This is this thing. Well, you can record. Look, hi, hi. You hear that? Look, hi. Okay, let me just skip that part. There. Hi. See? Now this is the search. There's millions of trillions of sounds like this thing. So this is today's class. So goodbye. Have a nice